Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I'm going to talk about when is the best time to buy a Tempur-Pedic. So it kind of follows with all retail. The best time to buy anything in retail, especially if you're spending a ton of money on like cars or appliances, is always going to be a holiday. Typically, the absolute best time to buy a Tempur-Pedic will be like Labor Day and Black Friday. But in general, if you are waiting in between holidays, I'd say don't buy a Tempur. Wait for those holidays: 4th of July, Labor Day, Memorial Day, Black Friday, and X13 is what we would call it, or Christmas. There's usually some sort of rebate that's happening. I don't know how much you know about Tempur-Pedic, but if you've been shopping and researching, you're finding that they're all the same price everywhere. So if you want to get a better price, you should always wait for holidays, because you'll typically get an instant rebate on those Tempur-Pedic mattresses. That was when is the best time to buy a Tempur-Pedic mattress. If you have any comments or questions, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.